Conservation of momentum. According to this principle, in the absence of an external force, the total momentum of a system remains constant or conserved and does not change with time. Sigma F external equal to 0 or momentum P equal to constant. This equation shows that the linear momentum of the system remains conserved. Tension. When a body of mass m is fastened with the string, then the weight of the body acts downwards, while a force acts just opposite to the downward force for balancing the downward force. This force is called tension. T equal to mg, where g equal to acceleration due to gravity and T equal to tension in the string. Friction. Whenever a body moves or tends to move over the surface of another body, a force comes into play which acts parallel to the surface of contact and is opposite to the relative motion. This opposing force is called friction. Fr proportional n implies that Fr equal to mu n, where Fr equal to force of friction, n equal to normal reaction and mu equal to coefficient of friction. Types of friction. There are mainly two types. Internal friction. It arises on account of relative motion between two layers of a liquid. Internal friction is also referred as viscosity of liquid. External friction. It arises when two bodies in contact with each other try to move or there is an actual relative motion between the two bodies. This external friction is also called contact friction. Further, external friction is of three types as given below. Static friction, force of friction which comes into play between two bodies before one body actually starts moving over the other is called static friction, Fs. Limiting friction, maximum value of static friction which comes into play when a body just starts moving over the surface of another body is called limiting friction. So Fs less than Fs max. The value of limiting static friction Fs max between two given surfaces is directly proportional to the normal reaction R between the two surfaces. Fs max proportional R implies that Fs max equal to mu s R implies that mu s equal to Fs max whole divided R. The proportionality constant mu s is called coefficient of static friction. Kinetic friction. Of dynamic friction is opposing force that comes into play when one body is actually moving over the surface of another body. Thus, it opposes the relative motion. The value of kinetic friction Fk is directly proportional to the normal reaction R. So, Fk equal to mu k R, where mu k equal to coefficient of kinetic friction. Centripetal force Fc equal to mv square by R, where m is mass of the body. This force is directed towards the center and is called centripetal force. But v square by R is centripetal acceleration or radial acceleration equal to r omega square. So Fc equal to m r omega square. Angular friction is defined as the angle which the resultant of limiting friction and normal reaction makes with normal reaction. Tan theta equal to mu, where mu equal to coefficient of friction. Similarly, angle of repose is defined as the angle of the inclined plane with horizontal such that a body placed on it just begins to slide. If angle is A, then tan A equal to mu. So A equal to theta equal to angle of friction.